We have a cube with a wall material applied. Some moss has been painted as second module. Some dirt imperfections have been added as FX layer. If we want to export the textured model, we have to bake its textures, in order to end up with a standard PBR material. Simply click on the Bake button. Enable all the textures you want to bake, in this case diffuse, specular, roughness, normal. Set the desired size. Choose a path on your computer where to save the baked textures. Click OK to start the baking process, or escape to abort. At the end of the process you will find a folder, containing all your baked textures and your model saved as FBX, ready to import into another file or another software. In the blend file a new scene is created with a copy of the model, with a new simple PBR material and a new UV layout. Names of the object and the scene are taken from the object, adding bake prefix. Let's dig into the options of the bake operator. There are 3 bake modes. Default BSDF bakes the texture informations as they are presented as BSDF shader inputs in the Nexus node shader. Cycle standard is a direct transposition of the panel you can find in the Properties, Bake tab, when switching to cycles. Combined only works when you want to bake your light setup into the textures. You can set the image file format between PNG, JPG, EXR, and others formats. Bake samples has to be increased if the calculation involves lights. You can switch between GPU and CPU device. If you experience a fail, switch to CPU or disable parallel processing of CPU and GPU in your Blender preferences. Bake size sets how big will be the square images created. There are options for creating a new UV map, recommended, moving the baked objects into a new scene, recommended, set the margin between UV islands and export an FBX version of the object too. The main panel lets you choose which textures to bake, and whether or not to take lights into consideration. Normal map can have green channel inverted, if negative Y standard is needed, like Unreal Engine does. File path and OK buttons complete the panel overview.